Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua impeachment case has been postponed to May 15th following a stay of proceedings by the Court of Appeal. The case, which has been initially scheduled for the mention on the 27th of February at the Milimani Law Courts for further directions before the Justice Eric Ogola led bench, has been pushed following the latest development from the Court of Appeal. Details of this story and more in the Scales of Justice segment.
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua impeachment case has been postponed to May 15th, following a stay of proceedings by the Court of Appeal. The case, which had been initially scheduled for mention on 27th February at the Milimani Law Courts for further directions before the Justice Eric Ogola led bench, has been pushed following the latest developments from the Court of Appeal. Rigathi Gachagua had filed the case last year at the Court of Appeal to protest the bench at the High Court led by Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi. Gachagua's counsel had expressed fears that they will not get justice before the three-judge bench thus prayed for a stay of the proceedings at the High Court. Elsewhere, a Bomet Law Court has allowed the detention of a self-proclaimed prophet Zachary Kibet Rotich of Bethel Church in Kapkwen, Bomet County until March 6, 2025. The prophet was arraigned for allegedly assaulting a church member on February 19th this year in what he said was an attempt to drive away demons from the woman. Appearing before resident magistrate Mbedhi Michuki, Rotich's lawyer Cadet Kiprono requested bail, but the prosecution led by Peter Mwangangi opposed it, citing the risk of evidence tampering and the fact that other suspects were still at large. The court will review the bond application and set a hearing date next month. Letua Debra for Prime Edition.